want to take a moment to answer a question I got this morning from Brian. He wants to know if our methods and products can help with tarsal coalition, which is basically a condition where the bones of your foot actually don't form properly and fuse together and may also lead to a flat foot. Needless to say, it's a really painful condition, and it could prevent you from doing things like walking or just simply playing sports or enjoying your outside activities. Now, I've worked with many cases of tarsal coalition, but there's one that resonates with me the most from a 14-year-old boy. He actually followed us for a period of 3 years, and we got really amazing results with him as far as his pain. But I want to show you a picture pre and post, where you can see on the top picture the pre-postural correction and post-postural correction. You see how an arch is starting to form. Now, with cases of tarsal coalition or even flat feet, it's always better to start earlier rather than later. So in other words, the younger you are, the faster you'll get the results. But as a general rule of thumb, when we're talking about flat feet, it usually does take anywhere between 1 year to 3 years to start reversing the process. So in other words, to start activating the muscles of the foot and hence being able to create an arch. But keep in mind that everybody's nervous system is different, and those results may vary from one individual to the other. So I hope that this helped. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other question regarding any other condition, and I'll try to take some time to answer those questions personally. Have an awesome weekend, guys.